Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to hide photos in Google Drive with a password. Now let's follow these few steps together. Now before we start, although Google Drive doesn't offer a built-in password protection feature, there are still ways to protect your photos with a password before uploading them. One of the most common methods is to encrypt your file using third-party software like WinRAR or 7-Zip. These programs allow you to compress and encrypt your photos into a password-protected archive file. Now, let's start by let's download this picture right here. Let's cancel this one right here. Let's download it to the desktop. Now, after downloading the picture into the desktop, select it and right click on it. Once you install, of course, WinRAR or 7-Zip, and click add to archive right here, and click on define password right here. My options are in French, but you'll be able to see it in English right here, and choose your password right here, example 123, and click OK. After that, a zip file with the picture name will appear here. Now you can drag it and upload it in your drive right here. Just drag it and drop it right here, and just like this you have an encrypted file archive that contains your picture. Now since the file is password protected, anyone who tries to access it with the password will not be able to open it. This method provides an extra layer of security. It's also important to keep the password secure. If you forget it, you won't be able to access your photo either. Now, while this method adds security, be mindful that if you forget or misplace the password, the content will remain inaccessible for you. Additionally, you can use services like Google Vault or third-party applications that offer more advanced file encryption options. And that's it. That's how you hide photos in Google Drive with a password. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.